Hi kids, how are you? I hope you are doing great. Because of quarantine, you can't come to the school. So, I am going to see you through online classes. First of all, I want to congratulate you for promoting for next classes. Cheer up yourself and pat your shoulders. Very good. Before starting the session, we are going to the circle time. So let's find out in this circle time we are going to find out what day and date is today. Shall we? So let's see. Oh, what are all these? There are colorful charts. What are all these? These are days of the week. There are 7 days of the week. Shall we find out which is this suited for today? Today, is it Sunday? No. Is it Monday? Yes, very good, great. Now we are going to take this Monday and listen, today is Monday. And next we are going to find out what this month. Is it January? No. Is it February? No. Is it March? No. Is it April? No. Is it May? No. Is it June? No. Is it July? Yes, you have found out. Very good. Now we are going to paste this month here. So this month is July. So now next we are going to find out what is today's date. What we are going to find? What is today's date? Today is 27. What are the two numbers which can create 27? Do you know that? 1, 2. This 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is 7. We are going to paste this. So we found out 27. So this 2 and 7 gives 27. So what is today's date? 27. Very good. Cheer up. You are enjoying your holidays, but now one day by day we are going to interact each other. I am so excited what is I am going to teach today. Today I am going to teach a phonic sound. Today I am going to teach about a phonic sound which is basically improvement for your language. Shall we start? So this is our first phonic sound. This sound is S. What is the sound? Z. What is the sound? S. What is the sound? Take 2 fingers, index finger and middle finger to trace the letter S. Before I am showing the picture, can I ask you a question? Have you seen snakes in your life? Have you ever seen? And have you ever seen sun? So let's all see it. Now listen to the letter S. What is the sound? S. What is the sound? S. Follow me. S. This is the action for the letter S. S. Say along with me. S. And now I am going to show you how the letter of is and how to trace it. And this is S. What is this? S. Repeat after me. S. What is this? A snake. A big snake. A big snake. Now I am going to trace the letter for you. Can you remember how we trace the letter? Yeah, very good. You have to join both join together the index finger and middle finger to trace the letters. Now, shall I start to trace? Very good. Cheer up yourself. And now we are going to sing the letter of the song. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Listen to look at my mouth. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Shall we sing one time? Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the... Say again. Snake is in the grass. Let's sing along with me. Shall we sing together? Very good. Come on. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Snake is in the grass. Very good. Cheer up yourself. Very good. Now we are going to look at the rhyme. Please parents note of these lines if you want. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Now we are going to learn some things which starts with the letter S. Shall we start? Oh, what is this? Is this? Wow, this is snake. What is this? Snake. Snake. What is this? Repeat me. Snake. Wow, a beautiful snake, a yellow snake. What is the color of the snake? Yellow. What is this? A yellow snake. Snake. Say it. Very good. Snake. Now, next, what is this? Wow, the boy is swimming. What is he doing? Swimming. 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 Next we have another picture. I am going to show you. You have already seen this. Wow, what is this? Sun. What is this? Sun. A bright sun. 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 Do you all see this in the morning? Sun. Wow, look at the sun is wearing sunglasses. It is also starts with sunglass. Repeat me. Sunglass. Very good. You are all doing great. So what is the next picture? Wow, the next is a bright flower. What is the name of the flower? Sunflower. 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 Repeat me. Very good. Sunflower. And it is beautifully smiling like you. What it is doing? Smiling. Smiling. What it is doing? Smiling. Is sound no? Then we are going to the next sound. Shall we go? Can you remember what is the sound next to S? What is the sound? Wow, is it A? Wow, very good. You found it. Great. A. What is the sound? A. What is the sound? Say it. Very good. A. Shall we see? A. What is the sound? A. Look this picture. Apple, and there are so many A objects. So shall we sing the song? So now I'm going to show you how to trace the letter A. So what we want to do when we trace the letter? We want to join index finger and middle finger together to trace the letter. Shall we start? A. What is this? A. Say it loudly. What is this? A. Very good. Now, shall we sing the song of A? And Samaya. Look at my mouth. And Samaya. And Samaya. Sing along with me. And Samaya. Say it. Very good. And Samaya. Repeat me. Very good. You are doing great. And Samaya. And Samaya. They are causing me alarm. Very good. Shall we sing the lines together? And Samaya. And Samaya. And Samaya. They are causing me alarm. Shall we sing it together? Very good. Come on, sing with me. And Samaya. And Samaya. And Samaya. They are causing me alarm. Very good. Super. Now we are going to learn things which starts with A. What is this? This creature is in red color. Do you like red color? No. This is ant. Ant. What is this? Ant. Say along with me. What is this? Very good. What is the color? Red color. Ant. So, what is the next picture? Wow. What is this? Arrow. 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 How will it move? Swing. Arrow. What is this? Arrow. Say it. Very good. Very good. So, and arrow. So next we move to. I hope you all enjoy this session. So let's meet in the next session. Till then, it's bye from Verimam.